How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to Some Fishing with me, D Yang. Yes, we're out here on Monona Bay in the Triangle area with my boy Billy. Anyways, yeah, we're out here fishing for some panfish. You guys can tell ice out here is beautiful. It's about what, 3.5, maybe almost 4 inches, and it is pretty shallow. What is it, Danny? Like
about 5.
Yeah, 5 feet of water. So we're good here. I drilled a bunch of holes. We have about what, 6 hours to search and destroy. So we're basically gonna work this whole bay all the way in and see if we can find some panfish. If you guys are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit that thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys out on the ice. Here he comes.
Ooh.
Got him.
Hey boy.
It's a crappie, see?
It's a big one.
Oh, it's a bluegill. Still big bluegill. Oh, nice. It's one right there.
Hey, look, he spit out your thing.
Did he?
Yeah, look, the red thing.
No, I threw that. Dude, he freaking choked it.
Dude.
See, these are giants.
Murdered. Keeping it?
Yeah, we're gonna keep it. All day, man. Dude, he inhaled his jig. It's crazy. There you go, Danny. Hey! First ice fish of the year! It's a giant! Oh, nice, bro! Hold it up.
Palm of my hand.
Yep. That's what we want. Alright, let's go. Yep. Keep doing, hurry. They're still there. Good job, dude.
Mark.
There's 2, that's why. I want the aggressive.
He's coming.
Yeah, I want the aggressive big one to come.
Oh. Yeah, boy.
Decent. They're not big. No. Alright, you know how to work this spot now?
Kinda.
Probably won't need a Vex on there.
Yeah, why not? Hold on, I gotta go ahead, keep fishing. I gotta fix my guide.
What happened? Oh, here he comes. Got him. That's a big one. That's a big one. Holy smoke, what is this?
Oh my god. Oh god. You grab my rope.
Yep, I know. Drop. This is decent. We'll keep it. I can't
I
get
just like looking at the lights.
I know, it's so addicting, dude. Here he comes.
Oh boy.
Oh my god, you saw that?
That was awesome, dude.
Did you see how hard he hit it?
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one.
Decent. I'll let him go, skinny. They gotta be bulky. There he goes. Got him. That's a giant.
Got it.
Oh, we double up. See that? That's a
yeah.
giant right there.
No,
They're small. Sweet. Way to double up. Got one job, bro. Yeah, this guy will keep lengthy. I'll go bottom, you go top. Yep, I'll go bottom, you go top. Because I'm heavier, so. Got him. Go down. Oh, whoa, it's a giant perch. Whoa, let's go, bro. Oh, you got my line.
Nice.
That's a giant perch.
Nice.
Dude.
Nice.
That's crazy.
Nice.
Guys, check this out. Nice perch. Beauty perch, dude. Heck yeah. That's me. Oh.
Yeah, that was a little guy. Little nibble.
For real?
Yeah.
Yep, I see them. There's a bunch of them. Got them. Dude, it's a crappie.
Nice.
Hey, there we go. Yeah. We got a crappie. Dad will be happy with these. Oh, here it comes. Danny.
Yeah, go ahead.
Got him.
Oh yeah. Oh god.
Giant.
Hey.
Dude, they're all quality fish. Anything smaller than this, we're tossing them back, guys. Holy cow. It's crazy.
Oh. For you.
Yep.
It's right on you. There you go.
Oh my
That
gosh.
seems like a big one.
Got your line. Yep, these are tankers. These are tankers. Dude, he inhaled it. They're so spiky too. got one. So feisty. Alright guys, so what we're doing is basically fishing one hole, right? Danny's jigging on top and I'm jigging at the bottom. We're using these cane jig. You guys see in my previous video. Widowmaker make them. And they seem to work very well. The small profile definitely does the trick. Oh, I think Danny's on. Oh, Danny, what was that?
I don't know, man.
Dude, you had a bite on. So yeah, these jig right here are trig and bite like crazy right now. Dang, that's so cool. Oh, I got a giant. Got a giant. That's a keeper. Nice little 8-incher, 8.5, almost 9 actually. Wow. Holy smoke. Look at that gill. Tanker. There's a fish.
I know, but I didn't feel nothing. I saw the rod tip.
There you go.
Yeah, he went for you.
Yep.
Oh God.
He got you. There you go. Nice little Madison gill. But we're not keeping these. Oh. Bro, I thought there was a hole right there. Dang. Torture to the max, dude.
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Got him. I was just gonna go on my phone too. Look at this guy.
Man, nothing beats that perch. Wow, that's a nice one.
Yep, this one will do. So these are all average like 7-8 inches, you know, so good pan fry, just scale and throw it in the fryer. Boink. Oh, dude, that's a school right there. Oh, me and Danny just on a school, guys. Oh, he's coming. He got it. Dude, that was so cool.
I was so slow. Oh God.
Oh my, oh, you got my line on. I'm like, what? Bye. Alright guys, so let me just talk to you guys real quick of what we're doing out here. We're out here at Monona Bay. I can tell you one thing special about this whole trip, like this whole bite that we're getting on here, is because off of this little cane jig right there. So we're just wacky rigging the waxy, just obviously done for, but we're just fishing in what, 8 feet of water? Yep, we're fishing 8 feet of water. Ice is about 2, maybe 3 inches thick, and we're just out here having a good time, as you guys see in the video. Definitely not gonna, Danny's on. I'm definitely not gonna include any of like the small catches. I'm just gonna throw all the big fish on there. Those are going back in. We're not keeping any of that. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Pop that one.
Oh,
nice, Dandy.
nice.
All right, Danny, your turn. What?
All right.
We're gonna keep these. Good eater. We actually been throwing a lot of the ones like this way, so I'm actually gonna put this one back. Danny's about to stick them. Got him. Little guy. Oh
man,
dude came flying. That's a good fish.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, that's a good fish.
Yeah.
Go drop it. That's a nice fish right there, guys. Holy cow. Nice dandy fish right there. Here, give me a live. Let me hold it from up here.
Huh?
So they can see my face.
Let me do a cool pose first.
There's open water like right there, so we're kind of fishing on the edge here. But what is life? Just kidding. Keep it.
Oh man.
We only kept like probably like 15 so far. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Don't drop it in the water again. Look at the lateral line on this thing. Nice. Fat. You guys see it? Just kidding. Let's put it super close to the camera. Just line up. Got him.
Oh!
Oh! Look at that, guys. Woo! You did it! On the plastic. Oh, chill. It's a decent fish. We're gonna put him back in the water. want the bigger ones. Boing! Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
It's crazy now. Alright guys, so I think that's it for today. It's pretty repetitive. We're just bluegill fishing. I had a great time. Dane, did you?
Heck yeah, man.
Kind of. But anyways, yeah, we got to get going. Sun is still up high, so there's definitely still a lot of daylight left. But we got to go. Got to go pick up my shanty from Rockford Bait Box. Meet up with my boy Brian. And yeah, no, it was fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Please comment down below if you guys like this stuff. And I'll see you guys on the ice next time. Weirdo.